Let's see how you can easily use the Instagram stories to make more sales and generate more leads using a simple DM automation. So here I'm in a demo account. Here we have already connected the Instagram account. If you're wondering how, you have to go to the channels option over here, choose Instagram and click on connect to connect your Instagram account. So here this is the guide, says connect, and here you will need to log in with your Instagram account. Make sure all permissions are allowed and then simply choose your Instagram account and connect it. That's it. So once the Instagram account is connected, you can actually build any sort of automations. So in this case, let's see how to offer the free ebook to your audience through a simple Instagram stories. From there you can actually generate more leads, even sales as well, by building complex flows as well. So here let me share my phone screen over here and show you the Instagram story we have posted over here. So this is how the Instagram story look like. Most businesses fail because they market blindly. This free ebook shows how to exactly fix that. DM me ebook to get your copy. So here in the stories itself, ask them to DM the specific keyword ebook, and from here we are going to trigger the DM automation and offer them the free ebook as well. So here you have to simply go to the marketing tools over here and choose Instagram story automations, and here you have to click on add new, and let me say free ebook. All right, and here you can see track the story reply on all stories or specific stories. So if you want to run this automation only on this specific story, you can easily choose that one. Otherwise you can actually choose all stories, which simply work for all the stories you are going to post over there, because we can actually set up a specific keyword over here. Then only that when they send the specific keyword, for example ebook, then only this automation will be triggered. So you can simply use all stories and have multiple stories promoting the same offer again and again in the future as well. So that's why we recommend you to use all stories and simply get a unique keyword for different promotions. Simple. And here if you want to just send them a single message with the specific lead magnet, you can do that right here. Otherwise you can choose specific flows over here to collect specific customer details like emails and then send them the ebook and send follow-up messages as well. For now, let's just use the text option and simply send them a message over here. So here let me say, and here you can add the specific link. So what you can do is you can actually upload the specific ebook through a Google Drive or any other drives over there and then share the link with them. For example, let's imagine we want to offer them this ultimate guide to digital marketing from the digital marketer. So let's say we want to offer this as the lead magnet just for the demo. So this is available for free online. So you have to simply upload this particular file into a Google Drive. For example, let me upload this one. So here it's uploading right here. All right, so this has been uploaded. So now you have to generate a shareable link. So here click on share and click on share right here, and it's important you make this as anyone with the link can view this one. So you have to update the general access. All right, so now once you set this option, you have to copy this link. So you can actually share this link with your audience right here. So this will be the link, but if you feel this link is still longer, you can actually use the free URL shortener online. So you can search as in Google URL shortener online. So it will actually shorten the specific URLs. For example, let me open this one over here, and here you can add the long link, which is the Google Drive link right here, and you can actually add specific ebook test 88 shorten. So that's available. So here this particular long URL has been now shortened with this tiny URL. So now you can actually share this link with them. Simple as that. So here let me copy this link over here and come back right here to the Instagram story automation and paste it. So here this is the link where they can directly access the specific PDF, and here you can also ask, you can add this link, and here let me say I would like to hear your feedback as well. That's it. So here let me click save. So this should be saved, and here free ebook, so it's active as well. So now you can quickly test how this actually work. So here let me share my phone screen again, and here this is the story over here, and I have to send the keyword ebook. All right, I send the message ebook, and let's see how this actually works. So here we receive the message. It says, hey Robert, here is the link to the ebook, and here this the link is there. I would like to hear your feedback as well. So if I tap on this link, it will take me directly to the ebook. It takes me directly to the Google Drive where they can actually download the ebook or read the ebook right from there as well. So this is a very simple automation right here, and here you can also track these are replies right here, so it says 1, but here instead of just sending them the direct ebook link right here, you can actually set a flow as well, where you can actually build a full conversational experience for your customers. For example, in the flow section, let me show an example. All free templates, comments automation. So let me show the example from the comments. So here, for example, we have a free template, a request email address, send resource link. So in this case, this is the full conversational experience where they confirm whether they need it, and instead of sending them directly the free ebook or any sort of guides, we actually ask them to provide their email address first. So they provide the email address, and then we set the email opt-in and then deliver the lead magnet to them or free ebook, and we also send them an email as well right there. Even after sending these emails, you can also add a wait delay right here and send specific follow-up messages as you like as well. So here, when you use these sort of flows right here, you have more control on what details you can collect from a customer before offering the free lead magnet, and also you can actually send follow messages as well. So since you have already collected their email address right here, you can actually do any sort of email marketing as well. So here, through the broadcast, you can actually send email broadcast to your customers as you like as well. And sending any emails from our platform is free of charge. You need to simply connect any emails you like right here, just following the guide, and send unlimited emails as you like. And that's a quick video on how you can easily send automatic DM replies through the Instagram stories. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.